So now that Halloween is on the horizon, I wanted to give you a few quick tips on having a dentally healthy Halloween. So if you're able to avoid any kind of candy, there's really two kinds you avoid: sticky and sweet, and extremely sour. One of the things we were taught in dental school is to tell your really young patients if it's sticky and sweet, it's yucky to eat. Things like caramels, things that will stick to your tooth that are hard to clean off, often cause more cavities than something where it'll dissolve quickly and, kind of be gone after you eat it. The other kind of candy to avoid is extremely sour candy. Some of this really sour candy have like a pH below 3, more sour than lemon. And the problem with those types of candy is it will actually dissolve your enamel. So if you don't want your enamel dissolved, then avoid that kind of candy. The one thing to note, the obvious thing obviously is after you eat candy, and especially before you go to bed, you want to brush and floss. You want to get rid of any of the sugary particles that kind of give fuel to the bacteria that cause tooth decay and gum disease. One other thing you have to consider is try not to snack on the candy all throughout the day. It's much better to have it in one sitting than to snack on it all throughout the day, every 15 minutes or so. The reason is when you eat something very sweet or very sour, it can actually change the pH of your mouth. And the pH is what we're concerned about. After going down below 5.5, your teeth are much more prone to decay and dissolving, tooth damage, enamel damage. So if you can just eat it at once, rinse with some water, drink some milk, and clean your teeth, but don't eat again the same kind of candy 10-15 minutes from then, you're naturally gonna rebalance your pH in your mouth, and the damage from the candy will not be as severe. So definitely do go out, have a great time trick-or-treating, enjoy the experience, but do keep in mind that candy and teeth are not best of friends. And if you can choose the better candy, you go for it. And remember not to snack all throughout the day, but have the candy in a single sitting and don't go after it again. Hope that was helpful. Enjoy your Halloween. Trick or treat.